Do you want to significantly increase the energy efficiency of your thermal processes and reduce scrap at the same time? Then charging racks made out of Durafox ceramics can help you get ahead, even under the toughest conditions. Thanks to their outstanding material properties, components made out of oxide fiber components provide a high damage tolerance, a high thermal shock and temperature gradient resistance, and can be used up to 1300 degrees Celsius in almost any atmosphere. The oxidation-stable material is the best choice for applications where metals fail due to high temperature oxidation and corrosion above 800 degrees Celsius, creep and deformation. With Durafox ceramics, you benefit from a lower heat capacity, which can optimize your production times. With a less scrap, as the material is distortion-free under thermocyclic load, you benefit from a higher product quality. Due to the lightweight and slimmer design of the fixtures and faster heating and cooling times, you can significantly reduce your production and energy costs. This leads to a longer service life and less maintenance. The game-changing material Durafox connects technological worlds and drives development wherever heat, corrosion, oxidation or thermal shock play a significant role. Interested? Then don't hesitate to contact me.